Disclosure, today's video is being brought to you by Olight. They're not paying me for my opinion, and I'll be honest with you, this may be one of the coolest, boring products that I've reviewed in a really long time. This right here does way more than just charge your batteries. And if you're like me, batteries disappear pretty regular. Dead batteries get mixed up with the good ones all the time. I don't know how it happens, but I pretty regular will grab one and it's dead. And traditional chargers, absolutely, they just become a mess. This thing right here from Olight attempts to fix it all. So what is the Olight Ostation 2 Pro? It's basically a smart battery management station all in one. Instead of manually loading batteries one at a time, like you would see in traditional chargers, you can load multiple batteries all at once, and this one will automatically sort them. It charges, stores them, and actually separates out the bad batteries. It works with AA batteries. It also works with AAA batteries. It supports the MH rechargeable batteries, as well as Olight's rechargeable batteries. EcoLast 1.5 Li-ion rechargeable batteries. It charges 4 batteries simultaneously. It has separate storage compartments for the AAA batteries and the AA batteries. It stores up to 12 of each at one time. It's got a pull-out tray system. The digital control panel on the front will actually hook up to an app, so you can actually have the app on your phone and check this while you're in a different room. It has USB-C charging support and a quick charging system. It has slide out drawers, so when the batteries are charged, they come right out of this bottom tray. The top one is your AAA, the bottom is your AA, and these are fully charged, ready to go. Slip that back in there. One of the other cool things about this smart battery charging station is if you accidentally put in a battery that's not rechargeable, it has this catch tray here where it's going to kick out the discarded batteries that are either bad or not rechargeable. So you don't have to worry about that either. As an added bonus, this right here folds down. If you guys have any of the Olight that have the magnetic charging ports on them, you can be charging your rechargeable lights like this, which is actually pretty awesome. I think where this product starts to make sense is for people who use a lot of batteries. And I'm not just talking about flashlights. If you're a photographer, this would come in really handy, especially if you shoot any kind of events where you're using flashes and you're burning through batteries left and right. Not to mention the game cameras or remotes, all of our camping gear that runs off of AA or AAA batteries, wireless microphones, maybe even kids' toys and clocks, all that stuff adds up really fast. Yeah, even in our leather shop, we use a lot of AA's for the thread burners. Instead of wondering which batteries are dead, this system keeps everything organized and charged. And of course, if any of you are like me, I carry an Olight with me every single day, and I have for years and years. Whether it be one of the big square ones, the bigger one stays in my bag, and then even like these little ones right here that run off the AAA, they're great for leaving inside your hammock and or your pocket and just everyday use. That's going to save a lot of money not having to buy batteries all the time. And that's not even talking about the amount of lights that I've got on my e-bike, especially my hunting e-bike. I remember when my girls were small, they were always trying to help me. They wanted to be out in the garage or the shop helping Dad. Another cool thing about this, especially if you do have kids, it doesn't matter which way you load these batteries up. It actually sorts them and separates them and keeps track of the polarity of your battery. And that's the same whether it's the AA or the AAA. They can just drop them in there, and I can almost hear one of my girls giggling, "Look, Daddy is down in there." And part of the fun, if you do have kids, the way they've built this and designed it, you can actually see these batteries and you can see they're all mixed up as far as the polarity, because this thing's smart enough to know which way the batteries are loaded. But that's kind of cool that you can actually see through the system and look at it. The back here, nothing super fancy, but this is where it plugs in at, and it does come with the USB charging cord and the brick that you're going to plug into the wall so that you can get the power. Another really cool thing about this, and of course I like my tech stuff, I've always been a little bit of a gadget nerd. You can see it shows you what percentage your batteries are. These are the AAA over here, they're smaller, so we're at 98%, 95%. You've got one of the AA over here at 100% and the other one's at 90%. And then this screen is actually a touch screen. So if you guys are real tech savvy and want to hook this up to your app, if you got an iPhone, I know they've got it in the App Store for the iPhone, and they probably do for the Androids, I don't know. I don't own an Android, so I can't tell you. But you've got your options here. So if you push this touch screen, you're going to go back to the screen we was at, and then you push that again. You can come over here to the settings, and then you have a bunch of options in here, and the settings is where you would go if you wanted to connect to your app. So you could turn that on, and then it would start looking for a Bluetooth. You've also got the option to screen off. Now that might be really important if you work nights and you don't want this lighting up your bedroom a little bit. You can actually turn the screen off to where it wouldn't be keeping you awake. And then also, obviously, that's going to be the power button right there. This thing is really simple for as high-tech as it is. It's easy to operate. I love that that's actually a touch screen, and to me that just goes, it kind of shows how much thought and detail they've put into this and making such a quality station. The Ostation 2 Pro is phenomenal. Another big perk that I really like, Olight, when they reached out to me, they didn't know that I've got a bunch of their lights, but I love how you've got your magnetic chargers. If you guys have a weapon mounted light system and you're not familiar with it, the magnet chargers for the regular flashlights are different polarity than the weapon mounted lights. So the one that I do have for certain will not charge with this charger because it's a different polarity, but it does charge all your normal flashlights. This is more for a guy that maybe home use instead of tactical per se. It's still pretty awesome that it comes included, because that's one less thing to lose at deer camp or something like that. Here's what I genuinely like about this. It keeps the battery clutter organized. It looks very modern and clean. It's easy for non-tech people. No polarity guessing. Again, that's huge, especially if you got kids helping you. It's good for creators or outdoorsmen. Makes rechargeable batteries more practical and helps reduce disposable battery waste. That's a big one in my book. All right, to keep this critique a little bit balanced, I think we do need to talk about this. This charger is much larger than some of the traditional AA or AAA batteries. However, I will say, I believe it would be best for people who are actually using rechargeable batteries often. If you guys are running some of the game cameras where you're burning through 4 AA or AAA batteries, if you are someone like me who I actually have several of these AAA. I've got them in all of my vehicles or in my go bags. If you're running those kind of flashlights where you've got the rechargeable batteries, even my headlamp, it takes 3 AAA batteries. If you're somebody who's running through a lot of AAA and AA batteries, I think this would be something that you would actually benefit from. It does come at a premium price compared to some of the simple chargers, but none of your simple chargers are going to do everything that this thing does do. Anything in life that has some quality built in is going to have a little bit more of a price tag to it. At the end of the day, this probably isn't a product that everybody needs, but for somebody who's constantly using rechargeable batteries, especially like us, using them outdoors, around your camera gear, emergency prep, flashlight, camping, trail cameras, I could actually go on. And honestly, the convenience factor is what sells this thing. So a huge thanks again to Olight for sponsoring today's video and sending this unit over for our review. If you enjoyed this one, consider subscribing to Heartland Makes and Outdoors, because we got a lot more outdoor gear, camping gear, maker projects, and real world reviews coming soon. And until next time, let's get outside and make something happen. What's one device at your house that always seems to have dead batteries at the worst possible time? Comment down below and let us know.